Hello everyone, my name is Komal Kailas Suryavanshi. So today's our topic is static instance and abstract method in Java. So we discuss one by one method. So firstly we discuss about difference between static method and instance method. Then we talk about abstract method. In abstract method there are two types, accessor method and mutator method. In accessor method there is a getter and in mutator method there is setter. So first we discuss about difference between static method and instance method. So in static method it does not require object to a class, and in instance method it require a object of the class. Then in static method it can access only static attribute of a class, but in instance method that it can access all attributes in a class. Then the method is only accessed by the class name in static method, but the method can be accessed only using object reference in a instance method. So we want to create an object by reference, it is an instance method. Then the syntax of static method is class name dot method name in two brackets then semicolon, and the syntax of instance method, that is object reference method name dot object reference dot method name bracket semicolon, that is the syntax of instance method. Then the example of static method is pass by reference programming, and the example of instance method is pass by value programming. So this that is the difference between static method and instance method. Then we talk about abstract method. So what is abstract? Abstract means incomplete. A method which contain abstract modifier at the time of declaration, it is called a abstract method. The syntax of abstract method is class A method. In method body there is abstract void m1 in bracket semicolon close. That is the syntax of abstract method. Then we talk some important point on abstract method. So abstract method does not have a body and it always ends with a semicolon. It can be only used in an abstract class. Then abstract method must be overridden in subclasses, otherwise it will become an abstract class. Whenever the action is common but behavior are different, then we should abstract method. For example, there is a vehicle. So vehicle, there are many vehicle, car, bike, sports bike. So abstract class vehicle in method body abstract void wheeler, because wheelers in car also wheeler, bike also wheeler, and sports so that is implementation are different but the action is common. So that is the example of abstract method. So this is all about static instance and abstract method in Java. Thank you so much guys.